Good morning. Happy Monday. How you doing today, Peppy? I'm doing great. Well, listen, we've got a big lesson, but since it's a Monday, let's wake up our brains, okay? How about if we count by twos and threes, okay? All right. Is everybody ready? Everybody stand up, please. Okay? Okay, let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Now we're going to go backwards. Backwards from 100 on the odd numbers. Remember, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But if we go backwards, it's 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Okay, here we go. You ready? 99, 97, 95, 93, 91. 89, 87, 85, 83, 81. 79, 77, 75, 73, 71. 69, 67, 65, 63, 61. 59, 57, 55, 53, 51. Yeah. Okay. Let's count by threes. 1, no. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Okay, thank you, Peppy. We have lots to do today. Okay, we need this page right here, page 189 and 190. Okay, 189, 190. Okay, so pull that out. We're going to start, this part here you can do, right? You just add it down. Easy sneezy. This part here you can do. Okay, I want to look at this part in the middle. We're talking about how heavy things are, okay? Now, first thing is a manatee. Now, manatees are really big. They have things down in Florida. We're up in Florida from here. That is in Florida. See them? They're big, about the size of a car. That big. Okay, they're real big and heavy, right? Okay. This is a shrimp. You guys call them mariscos. They're little. Some are little, bigger, right? A marisco. And the last one is an ancla, okay? Now what we want to talk about is the weight of 1 pound. How much is 1 pound? Maybe your mama goes to the pulperia and she buys 1 pound of flour or 2 pounds of flour. 1 pound is about this big, okay? This, do you remember what this is called? It's called a pint. Remember that? It is called a pint. Okay, 1 pint has 2 cups, but if you would fill this with orange juice or water, it would be 1 pound, okay? It would be 1 pound. Now, we have, the same way we have gallons are divided into quarts and pints and cups and all those little things. Weight is too. If we have 1 pound, we divide it down and it comes up to 16 ounces, okay? And water, 1 ounce of water weighs, okay, it's one pound has 16 ounces of water in it, same weight. So if you get a Coke, you get a Fresco, and it says it has a number 16 on the bottom, all your drinks will have a little number on the bottom. If it says 16 OZ, that means ounces. That will be 1 pound. Frescos a lot of times are either 12 or 16. Okay? So there you go. So, or sometimes water. Water will be like the half a liter one. Okay? It's 16 ounces. Okay? How much is an ounce? An ounce is about how much of water? Okay, that's about the weight of an ounce. Okay, so 16 of these would make about a pound. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe 20 of these would make a pound. Okay, 1 pound. So, okay, usually in our class, I weigh all the children at the beginning of the year to see how much they weigh and see how they grow during the year. We couldn't do it this year. But anyway, so here in your paper we have 3 things. Now we want to know which of these weigh more, heavier than 1 sula. 1 sula card, right? A pint is 1 sula. Okay, you know about how much that weighs, right? Okay. So, how heavy is this? Okay, now, a manatee. A manatee is like the size of a car. They're big. So, would that weigh more than this? What do you think? Yes? Okay. Then what you're supposed to do is draw a circle around it. Put a circle around it. Okay? And in the water. Now the second one is a shrimp. Okay, a shrimp. You say shrimp. Shrimp. The shrimp. Now, would he weigh more than this or less? Oh, he probably weighs about the same as your water, right? About 1.5. So, are you going to circle him? What about the ancla? What about the ancla? On the big, you've seen them on the side of a ship? Big, big, big. Is that more than this or less? More, right? So what are you going to do? Draw a circle. Okay, now, we have some animals here. We have 2 animals. And it says, color the circle the one that is heavier. Más pesa, right? Okay. Now the first one is a narwhal. Look at him. That narwhal, he's a cool guy. A narwhal, they are very big. They are also about the size of a car and they weigh about as much as a car. Okay, and this part here is like a horn, like a big stick. Okay, that's a narwhal. Isn't he kind of cool? Yep, but he lives in the water. You wouldn't want him to stab you, huh? No. Okay, so there's our narwhal. That's a narwhal, and this is a cuttlefish. A cuttlefish is kind of like a squid or an octopus. They're squishy, right? They're squishy. And a cuttlefish is about this big. Okay, so which one would weigh more? The cuttlefish that's squishy like this, or the narwhal that's about the size of your car? Which weighs more? You circle it, okay? Now we have over here a walrus and a little girl. Okay, here is a walrus. Now he's kind of like that manatee. He is bigger than the narwhal. He's huge. He's big like a car, okay? Really heavy. He weighs like the same weight as 2 of those. Okay, real heavy, and he's got these, they call them tusks. They're not teeth, we call them tusks. It's kind of like an elephant has those too. Okay, that is a walrus. Isn't he cool? But he is way, way heavy. Like as heavy as 2 cars. Really heavy. Okay, so we have a little girl or the walrus. Who weighs more? Who weighs more, you or 2 cars? Circle the right answer. Okay. Now down here at the bottom, it says how many ounces? It says O-Z. O-Z. That stands for ounce, okay? We spell the word ounce O-U-N-C-E. And 1 pound, pound, L B for libra, libra in Spanish and Latin. 1 pound equals 16 ounces, okay? So that's what you need to put, 1 pound. So if you have how many ounces? 16, okay? Okay. Now let's turn over this part on the back. These are different fish, right? Actually, they're not fish. They are mammals. They live in the sea. They look like a fish, but they're not a fish because they breathe air. They are mammals, and they give their babies milk, okay? These are mammals. Okay, these are whales, okay? Different kinds of whales. Okay, so let's see. The first one is a humpback whale, okay? So look there, and how big is he? How big is he, okay? So what you need to do for this part here is find it there. There's a humpback, go down, up, okay? So find each one of these pictures, and you write in how many feet each one is. You've done this kind of stuff before, right? But you don't count the blocks. I don't want you to say the humpback is 1. No, you go to the bottom. How many feet is it? It is, down here we have clocks, and I want to go over the clocks again today. Okay? Remember, we have, here, let's start up here. It is 9 o'clock, isn't it? Now what time is it? It is 9:15. See how this hand's moved up just a little bit, right? Okay, now what time is it? 9:30. Now make sure when you draw your clock, when you put the hands on your clock, it is in the middle between those two. Some of you are still putting it at the wrong spot. Please, 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 please put it in the middle, okay? Now look at, now what time is it? It is it 10 o'clock yet? No, it is not. It is 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, right? It is not 10 o'clock yet. In how many more minutes will it be 10 o'clock? 5, 10, 15 more minutes, it will be 10 o'clock, right? But it is not 10 o'clock now, okay? So it is 15 minutes before 10 o'clock. Okay, let's do another. Here we go. Now it is 10 o'clock, right? Now it's 10 o'clock. Now what time is it? 3:15, 5, 10, 15. Now what time is it? 10:30. Now what time is it? 10:45. Is it 11 o'clock yet? No, it is not. It's over here. Whenever it is over on this side, you be really, really careful. 10:45. In how many more minutes will it be 11 o'clock? It will be 11 o'clock in 5, 10, 15. When the hand is up here, is it 11 o'clock yet? No, 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 no. Right now, it is 11:59. 10:59. 10:59. It is not 11 o'clock yet. Oh, now it is. See, it just moved a little bit, right? Okay, so here we go. 11:05, 11:10, 11:15, 11:20, 11:25, 11:30, 11:35, 11:40, 11:45. Oh, I messed up. Let's start again. 11 o'clock, 11:05, 11:10, 11:15, 11:20, 11:25, 11:30, 11:35, 11:40, 11:45, 11:50. 11:55, right? It's not 12 o'clock yet. 11:55, 11:56, 11:57, 11:58, 11:59. Boop! 12 o'clock. Okay, some of you want to put like here. Okay, some of you want to put 1:12. Is that right? No. The little hand tells your hour, 1. The big hand tells the minutes, okay? And we always count 5 fives with the big hand, okay? Make sure you do it right, okay? That's it for today.